Assalamu alaikum. ADFS Active Directory Federation Service. More interesting topics in Windows Server 2016 or 19. What is ADFS? Active Directory Federation Service is software component developed by Microsoft, can run on Windows Server operating system to provide user with single sign-on access to system. We are going to our demonstration. In this lab, we will do 7 steps. First, we will install and configure root CA. There is another option anyone can do by any other option. Second step, create ADFS certificate template. Third step, we will install this certificate template. Fourth, we'll create group managed service account. Fifth, we'll create DNS for ADFS service. 6. After that, after 5 work is done, step is done, we are going to install ADFS role in our Windows Server. After that, we will test it by enabling sign up. So no more waste time, we are going to our virtual lab. This is my Windows Server 2016. First, go to manage, add role and feature. Click next, click next, click next. Active Directory Certificate Service, check this, add feature, click next, click next, click next. Certificate authority check, certificate enrollment policy web service check, certificate enrollment web service check, certificate authority web enrollment check. We no need to following 2 options. Click next, click next, next, install. In this process, I will discuss another things. This is my computer name is this1, domain name is macro.com. My IP information is 192.168.0.10. server mask. We change DNS. Click OK. Close this. This is our lab environment. Must you have Active Directory? Certificate authority role installation done. Click configure Active Directory certificate service. Credential macro, this is our domain name administrator. Click next. Check certificate authority, check certificate authority web enrollment. If you try to check this, not accepted, we are going to next. Enterprise CA, root CA, create a new private key, SHA-256, key lane 4096. Click next, next. It will be issued for 5 years. Configure. Close. Do you want to configure additional role service? Yes. Click next. Check certificate enrollment web service, certificate policy web service. Check this. Click next, click next. use the built-in application pool identity, click next. Windows integrated authentication, click next. Click this, click next. Configure, close, close. Click tools. You can see certificate authority option. Also there is Active Directory certificate service. We click this certification authority macro /DC1CA. So our first step is done. Install configure root C is installation done. Now our second step, we will create ADFS certificate template. Click certificate template, click manage. Now a long list, click web server, right click, duplicate template. First go to general option, template display name, ADFS template, valid for 12 years. Click apply. Request handling, click must be checked, allow private key to be exported. Click apply. Subject name will be default. After that, go to security. We need to add computers, domain computers, add this, put full control credential, apply. Also domain admins, full control, apply. Okay. So our second step also be done. Now right click certificate template, new certificate template to issue. Check this ADFS template, click OK. Now ADFS template is now in this list. Intended purpose server authentication. So our second step, create ADFS certificate template, is also done. Now our third step, install ADFS certificate template. We'll install it now. Before going to installation, just update GP update force and open management console. From file, add certificate, add computer account, click next. Local computer, click finish, click OK. Expand this, expand personal. In certificate listed you can see to root CA. We need to go to personal, right click, all tasks, request new certificate. Before you begin, click next, click next. show all template. You can see there is no our ADFs template showing, it's not unavailable. So we make any mistake, the permission on the certificate template do not allow the current user to enroll for this type of certificate. So we make any mistake, we go to previous option, click manage, there is a template show, go to properties, go to security, authenticate user is we are putting this. If you changes this before, full control, administrator full control, all will be full control. Okay, I think now problem solved. We cancel this again, also refresh our server. From management console, right click, all tasks, request new certificate, click next, click next. Now you can see ADFs template is shown. There is now another works, full click common name adfs.macro.com, alternative DNS, same, we need to add this, it also be add this. Another DNS is chart authentication dot adfs.macro.com, add, apply this. After that go to general, friendly name ADFS, macro, just put a friendly name, click apply. You must see private key option, make private key exportable, you must check this, click OK, check this, it's now available fully, check this, click enroll. It's also finish, click finish. So our third step also done, install ADF Service template also done. So we are our fourth step. If we don't complete this, we will face a problem. So we need to create a group managed service account by PowerShell command. You can save this by console one name and close this. Now you need to PowerShell, put a command Add-KdsRootKey space EffectiveTime. Get date, AddHours, press enter. We find a GUID. Okay, our third step also be done, fourth step also be done. Okay, now we'll create DNS for ADF service. I minimize this, go to tools, DNS, expand this, forward lookup zone. You can see there is macro already created forward lookup zone. we just create a new host record, ADFS, put IP address 192.168.0.10. This is our IP, also our DNS IP. Check this, create as a pointer record. Pointer record will not create it because reverse lookup zone is not created. Click OK. Done. Okay, so I create a reverse lookup zone, new zone, next, primary zone, next, port IP address 192.168.0. Click next, allow both non-secure and secure dynamic updates. Finish. So we'll create a pointer record here, 10, host name for a lookup zone, ADFS, check ADFS, it's not selected. We again do the okay, adfs.macro.com. okay, so we already created for our lookup zone, pointer record and hosting record. DNS vaults also be done. It's done. Our next step, we're going to go to ADFS role install in our server. Manage add role feature, click next, click next, click next. Active Directory Federation Service, check this, click next, next, install. It's done. Configure Federation Service on this server, check this, create the first Federation server in this Federation server form, click next. Okay, it should be current user, click next. SSL certificate issued by adfs.macro.com, Federation service name, Federation service display name, ADFS macro. Click next. You can use manage service account, also existing user. We are using use an existing domain user account. I am choosing administrator, put password, click next. If you don't use before manage service account, it works will get problematic. Okay, click next. Create a database, internal database, click next. Click next. All prerequisites passed successfully. Configure. Role installation complete. The server was successfully configured. Click close. Click close. Okay, you can see Active Directory Federation Service role installation is successfully done because they doesn't show any error. You can also see tools, Active Directory Federation Management. So our this step also be done. For enable sign-on page, we need to use another PowerShell command for allow sign-on option. Say Adfs properties space enable ID p initiated sign-on page $true. Before testing sign-on, we need to use this command for allowing sign-on option. Set adfs properties enable ID true. Press enter. Command is accepted. So we will test now. Open your Internet Explorer. I am copying this. In your browser, click this. Click OK. adfs.macro.com. Just wait. Use this address https adfs.macro.com. just add this, add, close. Wow, it's successfully done. You are not sign into this site. We repeat again. You can see also SSL certified, also secure. I am opening a notepad. You put this address https://adfs.macro.com/adfs/ls idp initiated sign on these addresses. Okay, so we are going to sign in our ADFS. This is our domain name. Put password. Press OK. Okay, you are signing. We have successfully completed our ADFS total process. Single sign-on option in Windows Server. Very giant process, and this is a lengthy practical option. So in video description we will use all command for your help. For any query you can comment box. Thanks for watching. Stay with us. Thanks.